Coinbase, let's get started. Welcome to Crypto Worldwide. Everything in this video is my opinion. I am not a financial advisor, and investing in crypto could be risky. So let's get into it. What we're going to be doing today is opening an account on Coinbase. These are a few different of the coins that you can presently purchase on Coinbase. It's relatively simple. First thing that we need to do is go into the Google or any other browser and type in Coinbase. Click search. When you see this on Google or any other one that's legitimate, you want to click it. This brings us right to the main screen of Coinbase. So now that we know we're in, and if you look up in the corner over here, you'll see a little security lock, means you're probably on the right website. What we're going to do is we're going to get into how to open an account. So let's work on, click the Get Started. We're going to use a first name. It's going to be me, and then you too. Then you need to have an email address, which I have right here. Let's use so let's make sure we got the right one there. Crypto59. This is a email that I will not be using. It's just for this demonstration only. So please do not email anything to this, because I will never see it after this video. Okay, then you get all that. Arizona sounds good. It's probably not warm there. Create the account. We can select image storefront. This is BS. Okay, let's do it. Storefront. Okay, that was fun. I hate that thing. Anyway, so let's go into my Crypto59. We have mobile app. No, we want to okay, Coinbase. Let's go into our Coinbase email. It says verify email. Okay, now they're going to send me so right here, you want me to put my phone number in. Nothing personal, but I don't want anybody calling me. Now it's going to send me a code to my phone and my text. So it's got 684 5293 5293. Submit. Okay, this is the part where it may give me a little problems. I'm just going to see how it goes from here. Let's type everything in here. It's going to be, we're going to go January 1. Let's go, it's 1981. No, let's go a little early. Let's just go 78, 11. This is good. We'll take that. Phoenix 85 sounds fine. And then what am I using this Coinbase for? What's the source of funds? Secured occupation, employer. We're just gonna put a bunch of whatever in there. Hit it real quick. This is probably for their information only. Employer is going to be me. Last 4 digits social security number, I don't know. 8699 sounds like a winner to me. Let's go with that one. Okay, so over here it's going to ask me to upload an ID. Let me see if it'll take anything I give it. Yeah, if you try to make a fraudulent, account on Coinbase, it's pretty much going to be very difficult. Don't even bother. So anyway, now back to this. Now on to the second half of the video. Here we go. Okay, what we're going to be doing here, we have now logged into my actual account. The earlier part of this video was how for you to find Coinbase and basically get set up with Coinbase so they know who you are and overall in general. So what we need to do now is we need to come in here and we need to set up and link an account to pay for the crypto so you can start buying and selling different cryptocurrencies, all the ones here. And they have a list they may be adding at some point, but that's just another time. So what we want to do is we want to go to the settings tab over here, click settings, which will bring us over to here, to this page. So you should see this page when you're doing it. My profile, you may have a picture, password, nickname. I got blocked, email. I have blocked down here, but you will be able to see it. So after you get to here, there's a bunch of different ones over here. What we're going to be concentrating on is linked accounts. So the next thing we want to do is go to linked accounts, click linked accounts, which is bring us over to this screen. So we're over to this screen, linked accounts. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to click link new account. Going to go over here and click link new accounts. So we have a few different choices. You can use your bank account, which they recommend. You can use a debit card or a wire transfer. Bank account seems to be the least hassle. Basically, when you do your bank account, from my experience, I have found that you can link the account, they confirm the account, and then you can buy the crypto for whatever price it is at that moment, and you will lock your price in. But the one thing about that is they typically make you wait maybe a few days or a week before you can actually trade it. So it's kind of like you lock in the price, but you can't just go and automatically sell it the same day. That's just my experience. Now we can come down to the debit card, credit card information. The bank that you're using may not like that, and they may decline it, and they also may, if they let it go through, they may actually charge you for using that. And then a wire transfer, that's a whole nother story. And my friend of mine has done this, and he said it's relatively quick, and that's just another one of the options that are available for everybody. So you have to pick out which one of these is what you want to do. So the next thing we want to do is we want to go over to click on dashboard, which brings us back over here. And what we want to do is we want to click on the buy and sell. Give me 1 second. So up here, we want to click buy and sell. Give me one moment to unblock this. Okay, there we go. So now you're in the screen for buy and sell. we're going to look for Bitcoin, so we're going to get in and buy some Bitcoin. And the next one is right here will be your account, and if you click here, it will actually show you that you could add a new account if you want right at this screen. But we don't want to do that right now. What we want to do, let me give over the screen. On this side, it says you are buying, right now we're not buying any Bitcoin, and I would be purchasing at this price at $64.68 per Bitcoin. So what we're going to do next is we're going to actually put in some information right down here and say we want to buy $50 worth of Bitcoin. So what automatically is going to happen here is you'll get some Bitcoin at $50 worth. You're going to get actually 0.00742% of a Bitcoin for $50. So that's one of the things that will happen. And then on this side over here, it will show you you're going to be buying the Bitcoin at 48. You actually get $48.01, and the fee is $1.99. So that's what you're going to end up buying. So all you do after that is you're going to basically go to the bottom over here. There's an actual buy. Let me see. In this section, you're going to basically get a you just hit the buy button down here, and it basically will take care of everything. Thanks for watching. This is Crypto Worldwide. Just going over basically how to open up an account on Coinbase with your email and put all your other information towards Coinbase so you can get in and identify yourself. The second half of the video had to do with opening an account and then actually going in and purchasing the Bitcoin. So that's about it for now. So anyway, if you liked the video, this is my second one, a little rough, but hopefully was informative. And if you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe, and you can leave a comment below so I can know what you might be interested in, any comments. And well, thank you for watching. See you next time.